A video doesn't need to take you hours and hours to create. So I'm going to show you 3 tips that are going to cut the time it takes you to create videos in half. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Francesca from Get Ahead Media, and you're going to want to hit that subscribe button there if you're a solopreneur or solo biz owner looking to create videos to reach your customers and get results for your business. So let's face it, making videos, sure, it takes time, especially when you're starting out. But my best time-saving tips I'm about to give you get me making videos in under 45 minutes. And you're gonna wanna stick around for that last one because I have a feeling it's gonna be a game changer for you. Use your phone to film and edit. So by filming and editing on one device, it saves you a ton of time. There's no transferring, there's no converting, there's no being chained to a desk while you edit your video on a computer. It literally is the fastest way to create videos. In fact, I put it to the test, a DSLR versus my iPhone, to see which one was faster. And if you want to watch that video, there should be a little card popping up on the screen now. Plan your video. Now I know this sounds like more work, but honestly it will save you time. Because if you know at the start what your video is going to look like at the end, it literally cuts your editing time in half. In fact, that's how I'm able to edit videos in as little as 10 to 20 minutes. So get planning your video before you even start filming. And pop in the comments below, what's your best time-saving tip when creating videos or other content for your business? Batch create your video content. Now, if you've been rushing to make a video a week, make them in advance. Seriously, set aside a day or 2 days to script, film, and edit your videos, and then you can sit back for the month and literally watch them go live. Every pro content creator out there is implementing this, and you need to be starting to implement it as well. Put these tips into action, and you'll start spending less time making videos and more time with your friends or your family or in other areas of your business that need attention. I'm Francesca. Thank you so much for watching. Go implement these tips. And until next time, happy filming.